Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gains, guys. Let's give this video a thumbs up before we get into it to help the algorithm. So AMC, we ended the day trading at after hours at $40.38. I know you guys like, yeah, man, B Hayes, what happened? We supposed to end the day at 43. Guys, know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I never know exactly what's going to happen. Nobody does. Nobody. So what people does here is just try to prepare people for the best possibilities and also prepare them for the worst. So, this is just preparation, getting everybody prepared for what could happen, what's next to happen, what's the next big thing, what's, just keeping everybody up on game, guys. Just take it as a grain of salt. Don't take it too seriously. Don't even take life too seriously. Just slow down. Everything gonna be all right. Have fun, enjoy your family, live simple, live below your means, make way more money than you spend, and man, you'll be a happy camper. I ain't lying. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. We trading at $40.38, guys. Still great day overall, even though we ain't closed like we wanted to, above that $43 last resistance. That's the last resistance we got to get through before working our way to the 50s. We know there's going to be volatilities, ups and downs, and they're going to try to, play with and manipulate the stock price, because all those day traders trying to piggyback off of us, guys. They trying to get in and out, make easy money, while we, go through the hard work, go through all the fights, the tears from day one, working our way to the top. They just trying to get it the easy route, which ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm a day trader myself, but I just don't day trade AMC stock. I day trade other stocks. I, bought at the beginning of my AMC at the beginning when it was around $9, and I held, guys. So, and I put my initial investment out, of course. Like I always told you guys, you always want to do that, whether you call it whatever you want to call it. I ain't even about to explain that no more. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this though. What happened today? What's going on? So we know that TD Ameritrade places varying restrictions on trading in 4 stocks, including AVIS, GME, and AMC, guys. So when they put these varying restrictions on, these varying restrictions came down to margin. Basically, the margin. Whoever is purchasing AMC, these meme stocks on margin, and the margin is loans. For the ones that don't know, basically a stock market loan. They're giving you money that you don't actually have on the house for you to invest that money. You just want to make money off that money they loan you, and then give them their money back. You get just a margin, just boosting your account a little more than what it is. So basically what they doing with this restriction is they don't want AMC to pop, because if they did, they wouldn't put the restriction up there. The margin, it come down to a non-marginable. That's what they call it. They call it non-marginable, and this what this is. A non-marginable securities are not allowed to be purchased on margin at a particular brokerage, particular like TD Ameritrade, or financial institution, and must be fully funded by the investor's cash. So basically, they only can buy AMC, GME, and all the other stocks they mentioned. They only can buy that with their own cash. They can't use the bank money, which make it harder for AMC, GME, and other meme stocks. You know why? Because 43%, almost 50%, almost half of the retail investors are trading with leverage, meaning, over half of the people that's majority invested in meme stocks, which is the retail, because the big dogs don't really get excited about it or want to invest in it until it's too late, right near the end, just because they don't want us to be richer than them or to be in the same position as them. So retail investors are the most people that's going to use margin, because why would the others want to use margin anyway? They got plenty of money. You never want to use leverage. I preach that. If certain videos, I never lose your leverage. So if you is out there using leverage, you want to be very, very careful, guys, because it's just a simple fact, because you're using something that already not yours. Why is you over leveraging? You shouldn't even be using only a certain percentage of your account for trades and investments. You should never go all in. So, and never use leverage. I don't use leverage because it's like, I just want to, I want to play with my own money. I don't want to risk losing someone else's money. And it's easy to go in a hole when you use leverage. It's just easy to go in a hole, guys. So just be very, very careful and smart if you're using leverage. I want to put that out there. So that's what's going on with that, guys. Basically, that's an attack. That restriction is an attack on retail investors, being that they are the majority that use leverage, and that's margin. Margin is leverage. And the others, the people that we're against, they not using no leverage. That ain't nothing to stop us, to help, help them out. No, I mean, it's something to help them out, but it ain't nothing to put a dent in they plan. It's to try to put a dent in our plan. But like I say, guys, it ain't nothing to a giant. AMC them, we been fighting this whole time, taking hits left and right, left and right, left and right. And we still standing strong too. If you been in, when I got in, even if you just got in, no offense, we all got the same goal, guys. But if you been in, you already feeling, you up hundreds of %. So, it's just we fighting, guys. So this ain't nothing. We're gonna take it like a giant, keep moving forward, and I believe AMC still is on the rise, guys, and we're gonna continue this momentum to the upside. Because we believe when we was down there at them low 30s, around 33.50, that was the bottom. And I was telling you guys that I believe we up from here. And not to brag too much, or it ain't bragging, because anything can happen. We can flip directions just like that. We know that. But I believe, what I believe, and I think we're going up, guys. So you already know this is just my opinion. Take what I say with a grain of salt. Consider joining the family. We post these type of videos over here every single day, guys. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.